7 days again. We're going to go into the roast Quartz bed and tumbling. I've on the 1200 grits. That's the fourth grit I've used. And I'll pull it off and see how it's going. Okay, these are the stones. Are still a little wet. The drier ones are still cloudy, so these are not ready. Not ready to be called done. But it's still looking nice. Nice pinkish color. Same isn't really picking up on it. I got raw, but they will look nice, and they are polished. I got some 8,000 grits coming from the rock shed, and once that comes I will put them on. So until next time.